Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Tracy and welcome to herself Tracyganda. Today I'm going to be showing you how I usually wear my wigs using the fake scalp method. This video is beginner friendly because I'm no expert nor a salonist at all, but this way always works for me and I hope you can learn something from it. Please help me subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified whenever I upload every Thursday and Sunday. Now let's get started. First off, you want to wear your wig cap in the shade that matches your skin tone. Then you go in with your hair glue. In this case, I use the Get To Be Free spray. You then want to spray it along your hairline and dry it out with a hair dryer. Then I go ahead and tie the wig cap with a bandana just to give it that extra tight. I don't know if that's the pronunciation. I leave that on for less than 30 minutes as I prep the wig and get ready to cut off the wig cap. You want to make sure that you cut from the middle and as close to your hairline as possible. I usually tie those last two bits because I have a small head, so you want to then put on the wig. Yeah, right. Then I push the wig behind and get ready to put foundation on the wig cap. This helps to make sure that your wig cap matches your skin, and when you go ahead and pluck your wig, it then looks like it's your natural hair. Try and apply a little foundation. A little goes a long way. Do not put a lot of it, and blend till it looks like your skin from your face. Yeah, your forehead, very bad. You want to start pulling the wig in front so that you get that line where you want to glue the wig and the wig cap. Then you sprinkle a little onto your finger and start applying it onto the wig cap, just a little. Be careful so that it doesn't go into your eyes. Then you put it on your wig cap and you want to make sure that it's tacky before you start putting the wig onto that line. Yeah, the little wasn't working, so I went in with the spray and put enough. Depending on how much time, you don't want to put a lot if you have less time to get ready, but yeah, I had all the time, so I put more. Yeah, so you want to start putting the wig onto the glue. Then you use a comb and try and lift the wig. Sorry as obstructing you guys, but try and lift the wig so that it doesn't become stick together. Then you do that for the rest of the head part. Unfortunately, I did not have the clip of when I was cutting off the lace, but if you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know down in the comment section. And if you've actually learned something from the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Then go in with a bandana or a headscarf and try and tie the lace so that it can dry up completely. I then go in with hair mousse just to try and flatten the hair just a little bit and give it an extra shine, and also lay the edges. Next, I prep the comb for it to heat up just a little bit. Then, as you can see here, putting that headscarf on your head really helps lay down the edges. You see, I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit. It really does a good job. And that is it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. If you've reached this far, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Like I said, I'm no expert, but yeah, this works for me and it could work for a beginner. Goodbye, guys. Don't forget to be good humans and take care of yourselves. This is me just self-supporting myself, so thank you guys for supporting my YouTube channel. Bye.